They actually like look like my oak and fork ones, but these is not real silver, but smaller and chunky. I love these. I feel like Michael Jordan right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sierra, and as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be going through a little unboxing. Hey! And before we get into this video, you guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I post. I'm on a roll today. You guys know I'm so excited. So yesterday I told you guys a little bit about the brands that I chose to purchase from. If you haven't checked out that video, go check out that video. It'll be linked down in the description box. I was expecting for this box to come Wednesday because that's what it said, but it actually came today. So we're gonna be unboxing. Cause y'all know how thirsty I be, okay? And I want y'all to see it when I see it, so yeah, let's get into it. And first off, this box, hold on, let me cover my address. This box is so small. Like, I was expecting for a bigger box. I was expecting for every little piece to come with a little box. Maybe it did. All right, so I'm just gonna take my handy dandy knife. Be careful, don't cut myself. I'm so excited. Oh, and Connor got me this, you guys, for my birthday. My birthday is coming up. All right, everything is wrapped here. And it should be 3 pieces of jewelry in here, y'all. So I really hope this is it, because this looks small as hell. Oh, God. What is this? Okay, hold on. All right, okay, so yes, good. We have 3 pieces. So first off, we're gonna get into this little guy here. This is by Ferris. Y'all know this must be my little ear cuff. OMG, it's so small. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. I mean, I knew, but I didn't. Like, this is really tiny, y'all. I'm scared that I might lose this, so. Luckily, it wasn't too expensive. So as I told you guys already, I already did a video telling you guys a little bit about each brand, so I'm not gonna go into too much about the designers themselves, but look at this little guy. Oh my God. This one is rose gold with bronze underneath. So let's see what she look like. Okay, hold on, y'all. I feel like I gotta do this outside of the mirror. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, girl. Hold on. Hold on. I don't know how to put this on. Oh my God, y'all. I don't think my ear is set up for this. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. That's fine. That's fine. What y'all think? This is a whole vibe, y'all. Like, this is a whole vibe. I love this little thing so much. Okay, let's get to the next piece. I'll take it off because I want to be trying on more earrings, but oh my gosh, she is so cute. All right, next, you guys, we're gonna get into Sophie Buhai, and I am the most excited to see what these look like, y'all. These are my first pair. Second pair actually kind of got me another pair in London a while ago, but they weren't really my style. So this is my second pair of sterling earrings, you guys, and oh my gosh, I love these. And I was saying, you guys, on my video yesterday when I was talking about Sophie Buhai, she is known to make really heavy jewelry, so I was just hoping that these weren't gonna be too heavy. So far, they don't feel too heavy though. So cute. Oh, what do you guys think of these earrings? These are really cute. Okay, a whole vibe. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, a whole vibe. They actually like look like my oak and fork ones, but these is not real silver, but smaller and chunky. I love these. I feel like Michael Jordan right now. Fire. So cute and not heavy at all. Oh my gosh, for them to look so chunky, like they look like they're heavy, but like it literally feels like nothing is in my ear, really. So cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm like so happy. I'm so happy because y'all know I'm trying to build my jewelry collection, and I just feel like so far these 2 pieces, these earrings and the ear cuff, I'm like creating my own little vibe here. Like, I'm so excited. All right, we're gonna get into Maria Black. I like her little box. That's really cute and chic with the Maria up top and the black at the bottom. And then you slide her this way. Oh my gosh, I have like legit jewelry cases, y'all. Wait, what is, oh yeah, the necklace. I'm like, what is this supposed to be? The necklace. And y'all, Connor did not pick any of this stuff out. I'm pretty sure y'all could guess. I picked the pieces out, and then he bought it for me because, like I said, my birthday is coming up, so. All right, so the last piece, you guys, is gonna be this little sterling silver necklace. And I was telling y'all, Connor said he wanna wear this too, which we'll see. He take care of this shit, I guess he can wear it. This is cute. It's like an embossed, or I don't know, little rose at the end. Let's try this shit on. What the hell I'm talking about. This is a look, this is a look. And I like too that I can wear it a little bit tighter if I want. Okay, she feeling herself, period. And too, y'all, I want to get like another little necklace that like will hang that I can wear together with this. Oh my god, y'all, I love it. Love it. Like, I can't believe I'm just now getting into jewelry. Like, I love like this with this shirt right now. Like, it's giving me what I need. Fire. I put butter all over my body every day, so that's why it's really sticking to me. Actually go even tighter than this, y'all. Let's see. So you can kind of like wear it as like a little choker. So yeah, you can wear it like a little bit tighter, like a little choker. Oh, y'all. This shit fire. This shit raw. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for the rest of the video because this is giving me literally everything I need, y'all. Oh. Let's see what Connor thinks. Babe! What? Come look at the necklace.
That's cute.
It's cute, right?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Ah!
I like how it looks in the back too.
I know.
It's so pretty.
Right now it's like on like a choker setting.
Okay, I see. You gotta change the settings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna put it.
I didn't change the setting. Did I just say setting?
Yes.
Oh, did I just say that?
It's not like it's a TV or something.
Oh, I'm so dumb. I meant like, you know what I mean.
I know what you mean.
Y'all know what I mean. So I'm gonna have Connor try this on, y'all. Actually, let's see what Connor think about everything. He's like, so I have to wait till you do the video to like see everything? I'm like, yeah. You thought?
I don't even know if I can get it.
It's cute on you too, babe. It's giving me Connell vibes. And then it's the earrings. Look. Here, I'll do it. These are the earrings. What do you think?
I'll do it too, sugar.
This shit is raw. I'm so happy I got this. Babe, you need to get you one. We need to get you one.
Does it look cool?
This looks so raw. We need to get you one so that we can be matching. That's gonna be our vibe.
That's a little lame, don't you all think?
Do y'all think it's lame? Because I don't.
Matching necklaces? No.
I don't think that's lame. I mean, I guess when people say like matching outfits is kind of lame, I think that could be lame. But like matching jewelry, no, that's like cute. Especially if it's like a raw ass, cute ass, simple ass piece. Show my subscribers, babe.
Alright. Let's see, can everyone see? Does it look good?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Just need a haircut now.
Yeah, what do you think of the earrings?
They look nice. They kind of do this, kind of bounce out.
What do you mean?
At an angle, you know? They don't hang down.
I guess. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm so obsessed with every last freaking piece. And then this is the ear cuff. Hey y'all, haven't forgotten about y'all. I feel like we just sitting here. Ooh. But it's only right that I ask Connor what he thinks, right? He bought it.
Yeah, it's cute.
That's so freaking cute. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all. So just so y'all know, it does like cuff your ear, and it's not uncomfortable at all, and it don't feel like it's going anywhere too. So that's a good thing. I'm so obsessed. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Like such a vibe.
No? It is such a vibe.
Such a vibe. It makes me like never want to grow my hair back. All of this jewelry. All right, take my necklace off.
All right. Take it off for me.
Before
I get too comfortable.
All right, y'all. Wait, babe, hold on.
Okay.
All right, you guys, so that actually sums up this video. Those are all of the pieces that I got from Essence so far in terms of jewelry anyway. I do have other Essence unboxings and hauls. They will be linked down below for you guys, so check those out as well. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that
subscribe button.
Period. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Peace.